Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can convert any footage or video into this vintage style texture animation, and we will create this looping texture animation completely inside After Effects, and we won't use any third-party plugin. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's jump into the After Effects. For this texture looping animation, we will use these two texture, and if you want them, you can download from the description. Okay, so create any composition and name this texture, and I'm keeping the size 9020 by 1080. Let's make this 9020 and 1080, and duration let's keep the 25 seconds and hit OK. Now import this texture into the timeline and right click, new, add this adjustment layer. Go to the effect and preset panel and search offset and apply onto this adjustment layer, and we have to apply the expression on this shift center too. So hold alt and click on to add the expression and type wiggle open bracket 25 comma 5000. So it will start animating like this. Now go again effect in preset panel and search motion tile and apply this onto this adjustment layer again, and move this motion tile before this offset and change this output width value 200 and output height value also 200, and check this mirror edges. So now we will add one more effect. So go again effect on preset panel and search posterize time and apply onto this. If you play this texture animation is too faster, so we have to decrease this frame rate. So make this 5. Now play this again, and this is looking nice. Now we will create this video in vintage style. So we will create any composition of this video. So drag and drop onto this icon. So this is my video, and drag and drop this texture composition above this video and change the blend mode to the screen. Now we will make this video 90s style. So select your video, go to the effect and preset panel and search black and white, this one, and apply this onto this video, and again go to the effect and preset panel and search CC vignette and apply this also onto this video, and go again effect and preset panel and search tint and apply this tint onto this video. So first we will increase this vignette amount. So I'm going to make this 215. You can play with this angle of view. So let's make this 53, and if you want to change the direction, then you can play with these values. Okay, now we will change this map black to yellow color, this one. I'm using this colors and hit OK. Now decrease this amount of tint. So let's make this 35%. Let's use one more texture. So select this texture composition, control to duplicate and click onto it, and we will replace this texture. So select this texture too and drag and drop after this adjustment layer. Okay, now it will also animate, and go back to this video composition. Now drag and drop this texture 2 before this texture 1 and change the blend mode to this screen. You can decrease the opacity of this if you want. So press T. Let's make the opacity 70%. So this vintage style animation is completed. I hope you like this tutorial, guys. If you like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.